Namaste, dear friends. Welcome once again from my table to yours. So I want to ask you, how do I look today? A vain question. Doesn't it sound? Well, I did a video yesterday too, a live one. And I'll tell you how I looked in that video. It was on my personal page. Apna's personal space. It was in the evening. I was very tired. I looked dull. I looked grey. It was not this colorful, charming me. Because I was in my personal space. So, sab kuch chalta hai. But today, I'm on my professional page. In my professional page. So, I'm all spruced up. Think about it. Isn't that how we create spaces? When the lockdown wasn't there and we were going to our places of work, be it our offices or our clinic or our therapy centers, we would dress up nicely, look very smart and go off to our work. Our colleagues, our friends at work saw the nice spruced up us. But now that we are working from home, we don't dress up. We just sit anyhow, anywhere. Why are we doing this? Doesn't our family need to see the good spruced up us? Why must we always sit up as if we have straight got up from the bed? We have to demarcate spaces in our mind. Yes, so we are working from home. But that doesn't mean that we take it so lightly that we sit anywhere, anyhow. We don't bother to even wash our face, shave sometimes, do up our hair. I'm not saying you have to go on a full fashion parade, but look presentable. I'm sure your family would love to see you like that. No wonder then there are many people who become close friends in place of work, and in family there are tensions. We want Google Hangouts. We want Zoom parties. How about having a party at home with our family? They are there and they'll always be there for us. How about doing that? But no, we are always busy at work. Years back, I remember this incident. My grandmother-in-law was admitted to the hospital. She was in ICU for some time and then she was sent back to the recovery ward. I'm the youngest granddaughter-in-law, and a doctor. So I was there with her in the ICU and later in the intermediate ICU or the recovery ICU. Every evening when it was time for the doctor's rounds, Aji, Nani, Dadi, whatever you want to call, we call Aji. Aji would say, Priya, comb my hair, give me my powder, give me my dentures. I want to look nice. I would laugh and say, but Aji, you are a patient. The doctor is coming to see a patient. Why must you doll up? And she would laugh and say, Priya, well, the doctor sees patients throughout the day. Wouldn't he be tired? Imagine seeing sad, unhappy faces all the time. Well, at least I want to show him a face which is nice and cheerful. So, okay, I'm sick. That is a matter of fact. But that doesn't mean I have to look sick. I have to pretend to be sick. I can even look nice and give him a good smile. So every time the doctor came, Aji was with her dentures, her hair tied in a bun, with nice powder, her sari adjusted, and with a full smile to welcome the doctor. And doctor would come in and she would say, Kashi ahat, with a big bright smile. I'm sure the doctor thanked her for this simple gesture of hers. Dear friends, There are doctors even today who know how patients feel when they come in all their attire while they are treating COVID. So they have actually put their photographs to create a personal touch. So what I'm trying to say is that yes, we can do it for others, but in the same way, at home, we can do it for the people at home. Every morning, before you start your work, dress up a bit. Look nice, look presentable for all the people in your home, your wife, your kids. I'm sure they will enjoy it, this new spruced up look of yours. You don't have to really sit there. Yes, if you're comfortable in your shorts and t-shirts, by all means. But look nice. That is space demarcation in the mind. Then go around the house. Now, at least in Singapore, we are going to be in this house till 1st of June. Find those spaces where you can sit comfortably. Create an office space and make it into an office space. Demarcate that space for you. I keep on bringing Bombay time and again because Bombay, Hong Kong, Tokyo, we have New York, we have matchbox houses. Therefore, we learn to use space in creative ways. I remember there was a time I used to be in a very small house where we used to have a sliding door which opened and we had a big kitchen. It closed and we had a bedroom. Why not try these kind of things? Why sit on the bed and break your back? Why sit on the couch and break your back? Why not instead create a space where you can sit comfortably and enjoy your work? The other day, a patient said to me that, Dr. Priya, my son's eczema is very bad. And I said, why? The patient said, you know what? Both of us are working from home, but we don't have time to spend with the child. The child is confused. How come mommy and daddy are both at home but don't seem to have time for me? I'm still playing with auntie. Think about it. Don't we spend time in office to go out and have lunch with our office mates? Don't we go down for a cup of tea or a cup of coffee with our office colleagues? Don't we plan lunch meetings with our office colleagues or friends? Then why? Please tell me why we can't do it while working from home. Why can't we shut our laptop and say it's lunchtime? Time to be with my family. Take a whole hour out if you can and spend it at the dinner table, enjoying it with your family. Or in the evening, say, okay, I'll take calls, but later, now is my children's time. Close your laptop and be with your kids just like you go out in the evening with your office colleagues. Come on, who are we fooling when we say, oh, I'm busy in calls all the time? Why are we hiding behind this busy? After all, we work for our family, don't we? Or do we work to hide ourselves behind work? Do we work because we are happy working and want to run away from all that is in the family? Please, ultimately, when there is no more work, it is our family who is going to stand by us. When you fall sick, your family will stand by you. If a family unit is strong, society will be strong. If society is strong, countries will be strong. If countries are strong, the world will be strong. We need a strong world, for which we need to have strong families. So please, don't hide behind calls, work calls or other calls. Shut down your laptop. Tell your boss it's family time. I'll come back to my calls. Just like you say it is lunchtime. Out for lunch? The message comes if any email comes. Plan your calls in such a way that you do have time to take the call of your kids. Otherwise, the kids definitely will be confused. Why is mommy, daddy at home and still nobody has time for me? And what is the message that you're giving these little ones? That family is for you, but you are never for your family. We earn for our children, for our spouses, for our parents. But if we don't give them the precious time, what good is all this money? Hasn't Corona taught us enough to value what is real? Money cannot buy us our lives. Money cannot buy us love. Please get real. As we work from home, demarcate. Working from home doesn't mean anybody can call you anytime. Working from home doesn't mean there are no boundaries. Working from home doesn't mean that your boss has a right on your time 365/24. Working from home means creating time boundaries. This is my work time. This is my lunch time. This is my time with my children. This is my time with my spouse. Have a date with your spouse. Plan a lunch meeting with her or him. Have a date with your kids. Plan a dinner with them. There are so many things you can do while you work from home. You're not spending time in travel. Utilize that time to be with your family. Believe me, ultimately, your family is your fallback. It will stay strong by you, and they have. It's time you stay strong by them. So yes, career progression is important, but so is family progression. So on that note, dear friends, once again let me tell you, demarcate the boundaries of work in your mind. Otherwise, your work will take you over. Plan time with your family. Otherwise, your family will be an alien to you. And yes, do dress up. Like one of my friends, compassion Rani Singham says sometimes, dress up in home fashion. Let us all dress up, put our best foot forward, and let our families see a nice, good-looking us. I'm sure they'll fall in love once again with us. Thank you and have a great weekend. It's Friday. It's time to enjoy. Don't forget, we still have Mondays, we still have Fridays, we still have weekends to enjoy. Thank you and take care. Be home, be safe, enjoy being home.